Cooking on homemade fuel is a gas because biogas cooks up our food very quickly, and the liquid fertilizer from anaerobic biodigesters can be used to grow food hydroponically, use it as a fertilizer on our garden, and to grow an amazing amount of soil very quickly by applying the liquid fertilizer to straw. So we are also helping to protect our environment by turning that CH4 from food waste into biogas that we capture and harness for cooking our food. I'm Kathy Puffer, the founder of the Biogas Education Hub, and I'm going to be accompanying you on your learning path. Your investment in the course, Succeed with Small Scale Biogas, includes membership to our Mighty Network, a community of solutionaries where we all come together to exchange and share ideas of how small scale biogas can work for you. This program and the wider Biogas Education Hub network run on Mighty Networks, which I chose because it is super easy to use and an enjoyable user experience. On Mighty Networks, I provide you with videos so that you can easily access the software and have a good experience whether or not you are on your computer or on the go with your smartphone. By joining the Succeed with Small Scale Biogas program online, you will learn how to turn trash into energy and to reduce your carbon footprint. Build and operate your own biogas system that is appropriate for your context and optimize your use of the biogas and fertilizer while avoiding some of those common beginner mistakes. On Mighty Network, you'll have access to bi-weekly office hours with me and your classmates, a site design workbook that will guide you through the process of choosing the best biogas solution for your context, the secure activity feed where you can post and comment on projects posted by the community, topical lessons that include my very best hacks, research links, and videos. Tuition is reasonably priced and provides you with year-long access to the Mighty Network and program content. This program only runs twice a year. Join us for the next cohort that starts soon at biogaseducation.com. We are looking forward to meeting you, sharing and exchanging ideas for small-scale biogas. Let's get fired up about biogas.